So guys, if you own this Samsung Galaxy A7 2018 variant, then you should watch this video till the end. Because today I am going to tell you more than 20 plus tips, tricks and hidden features of this device. And let me tell you that these tips, tricks can also work in other Samsung devices too. So with that said, my name is Zahir Ansari and you're watching Tech Buffet. Let's begin. So guys, first of all, before starting this video, if you wanna be my friend, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram. The ID is over here. Let me tell you some of amazing tricks and tips and hidden features and settings that I found while using this device. So let's see. So first of all, go to settings and go to advanced features. Then guys, you will see this feature called Smart Stay. Your smartphone can track your eye movement with the front facing camera. Basically, it prevents the phone to sleeping. Then after that, the second feature is games. And the games, you will find this game launcher. Just enable this. This is very good feature. After enabling this, you will find a separate menu over here called game launcher, and you will have all of the games over here, and you can improve the performance and a lot of other things you can do from here. It's a very nice feature. You can use it. After that guys, you will find this one hand mode, and it's a very useful feature. Basically, if you have a small hand, then it would be very useful to you. When you enable this and go to this setting, and you have to choose between these two settings, gesture or button. And if you choose gesture, then swipe up from the bottom to the top, basically from one corner to the another corner, from bottom to the top. Then as you see, your phone becomes one-handed friendly, but basically your phone goes in the one-hand mode, and it is very much usable and manageable in the one hand. It's a very nice feature. You can use it, and yeah, you're welcome. After that guys, you will find this finger sensor gesture. Just enable it guys. It's a very useful feature. Basically, some of you might know that this Samsung Galaxy A7 has side mounted fingerprint scanner, and if you swipe down your finger on the fingerprint scanner, then as you see, the notification shade comes down. It's a very neat feature. Then after that guys, you will find this multi-window option. You have two options over here. Basically, enable them both. They are very awesome. If you want a multi-window over here or any other app, for example, if I go to calculator and I want to use some other application with this calculator, just swipe like this, and as you see over here guys, I have the floating calculator over here, and it's a very incredible feature. I love it. So after that, after enabling it, you can use the multi-window too. Basically, just press this button and find anything. Basically, find any app which support multi-window and use two apps simultaneously, or basically on the same screen use two apps. So yeah, it's a very neat feature guys. Use it, and yeah, you're welcome. After that guys, you will find this smart capture. Just turn it on guys. It's a very useful feature. Basically, when you take screenshots like this one, as you see, you will find these options over here. As you see, if I want to take a bigger screenshot of this page, with this basically I can draw anything on the photo if I want to, and as well as I get a lot of other features too, like I can crop it here, I can use Bixby Vision. That's just a gimmick as per my opinion, but yeah, nonetheless it has that feature. Then after that guys, you have this palm swipe to capture. It's a lifesaver feature guys, believe me. Just turn it on, and if you want to take screenshot, just swipe your palm like this and it will take the screenshot. That's a very nice feature guys. Then after that guys, just enable this direct call to if you want it. Basically, if someone's contact details are on the screen right now, and if you bring the phone close to your ear, it makes the call. That's awesome. Then after that, you have smart alert. Basically, if your phone is on silent mode and you put it on the table, and after some time guys, if you have received some notification or call, when you pick up your phone, you will get a vibration alert. That's very nice. I love it. Then after that guys, you have easy mute. So you can mute your incoming calls or alarm by putting your smartphone like this. Chat over video. It's a very nice thing. If you're watching video on YouTube or MX Player or some other video player, and you will get chat, you will get a floating bubble type of chat thing. If you enable it, it's a very nice feature. You can use it. Then you will find dual messenger. If you want two instances of same application, then you can use it. Then after that, you will find panic mode over here. If you enable this, and when you press the power button thrice, it will contact the emergency. Then after that guys, moving to this feature, this is the device maintenance. You have built-in antivirus over here, you have built-in battery protection over here, and you have built-in storage cleaner. So you have lots of feature baked in over here, you can use it. So guys, after that I want to tell you a very nice feature over here for security. If you are very much concerned about your phone security, then you can enable this feature. Just go to lock screen and go to let me find it, go to secure lock screen, then enable this guys, enable this setting. This setting is known as auto factory reset. If you enable this, and as you say over here, it is saying after 15 incorrect attempt to unlock your phone, it will factory reset your phone. So quick disclaimer over here guys, do enable this setting with your own risk. Then after that guys, always on screen option over here, you can choose what always on screen clock you wanted to display on the screen. As like if I want this one or this one, I can select it over here and press done. And when I press the power button, after some time, basically all the Samsung phone has always on display feature. Thanks to that OLED display guys, you will get this always on feature in this smartphone, and it's great. Then after that guys, moving to this setting, this is known as the app shortcut. On the lock screen option, you will find two app shortcut over here. For example, when you open your device like this and you find these two shortcuts over here, if you want to customize them, you can do it right here. If you want some other application instead of phone app, you can choose it from here. For example, if I want to use my gallery, then I can do that. As you see right now, we get gallery over here, but if I want to use it, basically I have to unlock it first. So as you see, my gallery is opened right now. So this smartphone has face unlock feature too, and just go to this face recognition feature and guys, enable it. It's a really good, and it is very quick too. You can use it. It's quite good, huh? It's not as fast as some other devices which I have used, for example OnePlus 6T or Realme 2, but it is quite good and very satisfactory, so you can use it. After that guys, you will find this option over here. Go to other security setting guys, and after that you will find this spin windows option. Just enable it guys. It's a very nice feature. Basically what it does, it if your friend want to use Instagram and you don't want to give him your personal detail or something like that, then just open the Instagram and press this button. Then you will find this pin icon. Just press it, and after that, as you see, if he won't go back. Basically he won't go in any other application, then he has to use Instagram only. That's the biggest criteria over here, and it's a very nice feature. And guys, by the way, if you are not following me on Insta, just go ahead and do that. So yeah, and after that, if you want to open it, if you want to unlock this feature, just press and hold this button and it will lock your smartphone. Basically you won't have any security issues over here. After that guys, go to accessibility and you will find a lot of features over here. For example, in vision, you will find this, what do you say, color adjustment. Then from here, if you want, just enable it and you will have lots and lots of features over here. For example, grayscale. So as you see over here guys, the full phone has become grayscale. If you read a lot of things, then it will be very nice and very useful to you to use it as a reading device. Basically it will become as a Kindle. Okay, after that you will get this color lens over here. If you want to change the screen color, then you can do that from here too. So guys, after that, let me show you some other settings. So guys, go to home screen and pinch in, then go to this option known as home screen setting. Then from here you can customize your home screen a lot, like literally a lot. As you see from here, if you want a app screen, basically app drawer, then you can enable this. And if you don't want app drawer, like I'm using it right now as a Xiaomi device, right now it does not have any app drawer over here, so you can use it directly with here. So if you want app drawer, you can enable the app drawer from here. Then as you see, you will get app drawer from here. And after that, you can also customize your grid option, how many application you want on the screen. If you want 5x5, 6x5 and 5x6, you can control it from here. You will disable the icon badges, the small icon badges. When you get notification, it will be disabled from here. So guys, if you want to access the notification panel, you don't have any option to reach here, then just go to home screen setting and enable this quick open notification panel. When you swipe down on the home page, the notification panel comes down. That's a very nice feature. Huge thumbs up for that, guys. After that, guys, you will find this very awesome feature over here, that is hide app. So if you want to hide any application, just use this. For example, if I want to hide let's say gallery app, then just select that gallery app and press apply. As you see right now, the gallery app is hidden. So yeah, you can use it, and yeah, thank me later. So yeah guys, this was the video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did find this video helpful in any manner, guys, hit that like button right now literally, and share this video, guys, with your friends. If you know anyone who has any Samsung device, please share this video. It will be very helpful for them. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, then yeah, you know what to do. Hit that like button, share this video, comment what you feel about this video. If you find this helpful, then yeah, thank you so much. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. By the way guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, hit that subscribe button. Then after that, hit that bell notification icon. Then you will be notified when I post new videos like this one. So basically, I'm trying to say is, if you want to see more awesome videos like this one, subscribe this channel, guys. Yeah, it's free too. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.